Hello, hello! Welcome back to Red Ted Art. This is a compilation of our super simple Christmas cards that you may have seen already. The idea is super simple cards that you can make quickly and easily, especially if you need something like 30 cards to send to classmates or to family and friends. So this is a selection of 5 of our super simple Christmas cards. You've got the snowman, you have the Christmas tree, you have the gift, you have Ted the polar bear, and you have a super cute Santa card. Also want to mention that if you learn how to make all of these designs, you can then check out my paper crafts book. Go to the back section where we have these adorable Santa gift bags, and you can use the same designs on all of these gift bags, and you can make these gift bags small or big just depending on your paper size. And it's a super cute way to take what you've learned in this video today and adapt in my new paper projects book, making this paper projects book not containing 60 but literally hundreds of crafts if you adapt the designs. So yes, let's take a look and see how these 5 quick and easy designs are made just for you. are again. Here's a Santa card. So cute, so easy. Of course, we have a Ted card. I think he'd be a rather lovely Christmas card, don't you think? We have the wrapping paper Christmas card, so this is a great way to match with your gifts and use up little odds and ends of wrapping paper. We have a super simple Christmas tree card. I love that it uses up scrap paper to make the confetti. And we have two versions of this super cute snowman card. Really, really lovely. Now remember, I mentioned at the beginning of this video that I have a brand new paper projects books out. Now these cards are not in the book. However, if you learn how to make these designs, there's lots of crafts in here that you can adapt to make these crafts. I've kind of lost my place there, haven't I? But there you go. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you, for example, made these Santa gift bags, you could use any of these designs to decorate the same gift bag. So it's a really fun way of extending what you've learned in other crafts. So yes, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We've got another 5 Christmas card video for you to check out, so do take a look. But in the meantime, don't forget to keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.